But let's get this open. And shout out to Amazon for using these bags. I like them because they are recyclable and easy to use. So there we go. All right, this is the Sportlink waterproof case, and this is going to be for the iPhone. So yeah, let's see. I'm not sure if there is a. I'm not sure if there's a name. I guess the name is Sportlink. I don't know. Let's go ahead. Let's grab the. Let's see if we can scan the barcode on here, and see if we can get this thing going. I'll tell you, boy, I'm trying to get used to this new iPhone, and I'll tell you, I'm not super happy with the way that it integrates with some of the apps. It's just like when I'm trying to get on here, it's always blurry in here, and it's not scanning. But that could just be this. But let me see. Here we go. I'm going to grab my Android phone. And if it scans on here, then I'm going to be like, see? See? I try not to be a fanboy of either. Yeah, see, look at that. Just right away it scanned. Like 2 seconds and it scanned up. So, all right. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and bring you in on this so that we can see. Let me see if I can, let me see if I can go into my, let me go into my web browser. There we go. And let's go back over here to Amazon. And there we go. Let's see, pick up where you left off. There we go. That's it right there. This is the Sportlink designed for iPhone 14 Pro Max waterproof case, shockproof, dustproof phone case with screen protector for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Full body protective case for iPhone 14 Pro Max, 6.7 inch, and this one is in black. So now you can get this for other phones if you want it for the iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Plus, the iPhone 14 Pro, and the Pro Maxes, which is the one they sent me. Now this thing is $29.99 right now, but you can get an extra 20% off. So $29.99, that's going to be about 10% is what, about 30 cents or $33, excuse me. So 20% would be about $6. So you should be able to get this for about 23 bucks, something like that, 23, 27 bucks. So there you go. It says only compatible with the 14 Pro Max, and you can see it's military grade protected for drop protection. You can see it's waterproof, IP68 waterproofing. I mean, I know people like that. It doesn't really matter to me because the iPhone's already waterproof. The iPhone is already fully waterproof. You can go swimming with the iPhone if you want to. The only time something I think like this probably really matters if you happen to go in the ocean, because the iPhone, even though it's waterproof, they say you should not get it in salt water because salt is corrosive. But there you go. You can see there it says HD crystal mirror lens protection, so it's going to have protection for the lenses, and you can see there again waterproof. So all right, let's do this. Let's do this. I want to actually see what this thing looks like. So let's get it out, and let's get it out of the case there, yeah, look at this. There is actually it's right. I thought it was clear, but it really is crystal. When they say crystal, I thought that was clear, and it is actually a cover for your lenses, so you don't have to worry about your lenses getting scratched. So you're going to have an instruction manual there so that you can use that if need be. You're going to have a lanyard here, and there is I thought I saw somewhere on here, I think it's right here, or where is it at? Oh, it's right there on the bottom. There is some lanyard holes so that you can actually put the lanyard in there if you want to. And then there is a cleaning cloth on there. And this little doohickey right here is a way that you can actually get this off. So so that you can put this like sort of in between the front and the back of the case so that you can put it on. So let me see if I can grab my, where's it at? Where's my Pro Max? Where's my Pro Max? Here it is. I guess this is it right here. We'll see what this looks like. So yeah, put that right there. I think this is, let me get that right. So this is going to go right in there, and there we go. And then this part is going to go, and I have not looked at this at all to see if I'm getting this right. And it should just go right in there, lay all up in there, and then just make sure everything is set up in there. And then, yeah, it's going to take a little bit of work to get this thing in there, but basically that's the way it's going to work. And then you have your phone in there. It feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. But yeah, you know, I think cases like this are really fantastic. Man, maybe I need this to get the phone out. I think cases like this are really good when you have kids because kids have a tendency to drop everything. They will, you know, parents want to give them the phones to play with because, you know, sometimes you just want your kids occupied so they don't drive you crazy when you're trying to drive, or maybe you're at a doctor's office or something. You're trying to not have your kid make a scene. So something like this can work really, really well so that your kids don't actually destroy your phone by running around and then dropping it. The next thing you know, you have a broken screen, and then you have to go and try and find time to get your phone repaired, all of that. Something like this Sportlink waterproof case is going to do nice for you. So big ups to them. And again, let me just jump in again. You can get this right now. You can get this thing for, let's see here. Where is it at? Let's see if I can bring this back up. There we go. This is going to be $29.99 with a 20% off coupon right now on Amazon. So yeah, big ups to them. All right.